Hi everyone, this is Dr. Chinmay Bhatt. In this session, session number 29, we will see what are diazonium compounds and how to prepare those. The moment I say diazonium compound, I think you recollect this, right? Because we have studied in 11th or 12th standard, benzene diazonium chloride. So the reaction you have done, preparation of this and test for aniline, if you recollect, confirmatory test for aniline. By doing that, you have done this preparation, and you also have prepared azo dye by reacting it with beta naphthalene and NaOH. So this benzene diazonium chloride you already know. So we will focus on the synthesis of benzene diazonium chloride as per the syllabus, and how to prepare and what is the reaction mechanism of that. So benzene diazonium chloride or benzene diazonium halide, they are usually aromatic compound with the general formula C6H5N2 plus. It may be sulfate, chloride, bromide or PF4 minus. So the general formula is Rn2 plus X minus. Here R can be aromatic or aliphatic. If it is aromatic, benzene diazonium chloride is the simplest compound in aromatic. Otherwise, it can be aliphatic, like methyl. It can be methyl, ethyl, like that. But aromatic halides or aromatic diazonium halides are more stable than the aliphatic ones. Preparation, I think you know it. A very simple method. Only care to be taken is it should be performed at lower temperature, below 5 degrees Celsius. Usually used to do it in cold water or in ice cold condition. So what you do, you take aniline in one test tube. A simple method I will describe. In one test tube you take aniline and add HCl to that. In another test tube you take sodium nitrite. Note this, not nitrate, it is nitrite, sodium nitrite. If it is nitrate, NaNO3 it is. This is sodium nitrite, NaNO2 plus HCl. So it produces HNO2, nitrous acid. So 5 to, that's what, 273 to 278, that means below 5 degree. 0 to 5 degrees Celsius you have to maintain, ice cold condition. Then you mix this, or that means what, nitrous acid you have to add to the test tube containing aniline plus HCl. So after some time, not even after some time, I mean maybe after adding it, immediately after adding it, you will notice the formation of some kind of this kind of solution. Okay, that is benzene diazonium chloride in aqueous medium. And if you recollect that test to the confirmatory test of aniline, you take beta naphthol or any naphthol in another test tube, add NaOH and you mix this, you get a beautiful orange dye. That is a confirmatory test for aniline. So this is how it looks. So when you make a solution, kind of orange red solution, benzene diazonium chloride exists in that. These are the reactions which take place. Okay, and if you see the mechanism, the nitrosonium ion, which is formed by the decomposition of nitrous acid, is attacked by nucleophile, that is N present in aniline. It forms a nitroso compound of this type, and there is a proton exchange, proton transfer it's called. Then at the end, the removal of water, so you will get diazonium salt. Okay, this is all. So please remember this step: addition to this nitrosonium ion, then H transfer, hydrogen transfer, then removal of water. Shifting of this electron, make a triple bond and remove the water from here. Okay, that's all. You get the compound, final compound, that is diazonium salt. Okay, that's all in this session. The references you can go through. One which I referred here, BYJU'S sub study material, and there are many videos. You can see the experimental part, or else you already have performed this. Won't be a complication because it's a very simple experiment. So that's all. Thank you very much.